Cambly learners, my name is Shelly and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today you'll be learning about ordinal numbers. Are you ready? Let's go. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers help us put things in order. Let me show you. Do you like chocolate milk? Let's make some. First, pour some milk into a glass. Second, add chocolate powder. Third, great job. Stir, stir, stir. Fourth, the fourth ice cream scoop is vanilla flavored. Fifth, the fifth cupcake is my favorite. Sixth, he is a sixth grade student. Seventh, she is the seventh person in line. Eighth, I live on the 8th floor. Ninth, September is the 9th month of the year. 10th, her birthday is on the 10th day of this month. Great job, Cambly learners. Now let's review by playing a game. These cars are going to race each other. Zoom, 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 zoom. I wonder which one will win. Let's see. Okay, this is the final snapshot of the race. In what place did the green car finish the race? That's right. The green car finished the race in 5th place. In what place did the purple car finish the race? The purple car finished the race in 4th place. In what place did the red car finish the race? That's right. The red car finished the race in 3rd place. Awesome job. In what place did the blue car finish the race? The blue car finished the race in 2nd place. So who won? The yellow car. And in what place did the yellow car finish the race? That's right. The yellow car finished the race in 1st place. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, let me just tell you that Cambly Kids gives you instant access to amazing native English tutors who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.